What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your iPhone not turning on. Let's say that you have an iPhone in here but it simply won't turn on for a specific reason, and do not worry, I'm going to show you in this video the workaround path in order to fix this annoying problem in here. This may be due to various causes. For example, your iPhone could simply be stuck in here on your screen. You're trying to use it, it's not working. Let's say you press and hold the volume down along with the power button and it's not allowing you to slide for a specific reason. Your touch is not working, or your screen has a specific issue which is not allowing you to turn it off. Okay, so we basically have the traditional way on how we can turn it off by simply hopping into settings. We do have, for example, general, scrolling down, we do have shutdown in here. We also have the way of pressing and holding to slide, as I've just mentioned. We also have the Siri way. You can say, hey Siri, turn off my iPhone. That could also be another way on how you can turn it off. But let's suppose it's not working at all. So you can use the buttons combination to shut down your phone. And this is how it goes. You need to rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button. Okay, right now I'm only pressing the power button and I've released both of the volume buttons. Okay, keep on pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, rapidly press and hold the volume up. There we go, pressing and holding volume up. Wait for a couple of seconds and release both of the buttons as soon as you see the black screen. So this is how you can manually or forcibly turn off your iPhone device in here. Now once you've turned it off, keep it off for like 5 to 10 minutes, and if you're running out of juice, or in other words out of battery, I would recommend you to connect your charger and keep it charging for 10 to 15 minutes before you turn it back on. Okay, this will essentially let your phone rest, get enough charge to ensure that every single component of your iPhone device is working fine. Once you're done, simply press and hold the power button to turn on your iPhone again and you'll be good to go. So this is how you can actually quickly turn off here your iPhone if it's not turning off. And if the problem persists, I would recommend you to update your phone as soon as you're able to turn it on, so you can actually fix bugs, glitches, and much issues in here related to your software. Because this is definitely a software problem and not a hardware problem, so you do not need to worry at all. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.